Here's every change Nissan made to the 2025 GT-R. The Nissan GT-R has been slightly updated for 2025, but rumors suggest it might be the model to bid farewell to this generation. During the second week of March, Nissan unveiled the 2025 edition of the GT-R in Yokohama. The Japanese supercar, featuring all-wheel drive and a front longitudinal engine, represents the latest evolution of the R35 series launched in 2007, which could be categorized as Nissan's flagship supercar. The Nissan GT-R comes with some updates for its 2025 model, including adjustments in the technical department to enhance its performance. Making their debut are the GT-R Premium Edition T-Spec and the GT-R Track Edition designed by Nismo, the Yokohama-based company's division dedicated to sports and racing models. On the other hand, visual appearance, design, and interior equipment were barely revised. Nonetheless, this did not prevent prices from rising in Japan, the first market where it will be available. While this update may signal something positive for the Japanese sports car and demonstrates an interest in staying up to date, media outlets in its home country suggest that this might be the last model of this generation. There are many doubts about its future, and it is not ruled out that it will have a replacement, which, based on the global trend, could be electric. The debut in Japan unveiled the premiere of the new color Blue Heaven. Amidst all the circulating rumors suggesting that the GT-R is on its deathbed, Nissan unveiled the limited production 2025 model in Japan. Truth be told, this iteration didn't undergo many changes compared to its predecessor, although there are still some notable updates, including subtle aesthetic tweaks. Blue Heaven color option exclusive to the Premium Edition trim. Among the minimal changes to the GT-R for 2025, one of them stands out for its visual appeal. We're talking about the introduction of a sweet new interior color, called Blue Heaven. This detail, undoubtedly pleasing to the eye and evoking a hint of 90s nostalgia, is exclusively available in the Premium Edition trim, which serves as the base model in the United States. It's important to note that, in Japan, there is a greater variety of GT-R trims, totaling 8. The Pure Edition, the Black Edition, the Premium Edition and the Track Edition are all part of the standard GT-R lineup, with both the Premium and Track models offered in T-Spec format. Additionally, there's the Nismo and the Nismo Special Edition. The aesthetics, design, or interior equipment weren't significantly altered. Nonetheless, there was still a price increase for the models offered on the Japanese market. The 2025 GT-R Premium Edition, which stands out for the option of selecting an interior color in Blue Heaven, will be priced at $105,400, while the Pure Edition, the most basic trim, will be offered at $97,700. Topping the range is the Nismo Special Edition, with a price of $207,000. These prices, confirmed by Nissan during the unveiling event held in Yokohama, correspond to the models that will be sold in Japan. Orders for the 2025 Nissan GT-R are now open in the Japanese market, with sales expected to begin from June. Therefore, expect to hear updates on which of these changes will be implemented for the North American models in the coming months. Mechanical changes are limited to the Premium Edition T-Spec and Track Edition models. Since its debut in 2007, while it has received various updates and seen its base price increase by over $50,000, the all-wheel drive monster affectionately known as Godzilla remains largely unchanged. Nismo Special Edition components integrated into other models. According to Nissan's statement, for the 2025 model year, both the Premium Edition T-Spec and the Track Edition models are receiving engine components that were previously exclusive to the Nismo Special Edition. Confirmed only for the Japanese market for now, these models will be equipped with the Nismo's weight-balanced piston rings, connecting rods, and crankshafts. The VR38DETT engine is still legendary. Regarding the powertrain, Nissan's VR38DETT engine will continue to power the R35 GT-R. This engine has been the backbone of the GT-R's performance for years. Meanwhile, the Japanese market version, the GTR Nismo Special Edition, receives the edition that comes with the special Nismo tuning. It's worth noting that, in the base trim and in the United States, the 3.8-liter V6 twin-turbo engine delivers 565 horsepower and 467 pound-feet of torque through a 6-speed automatic transmission. That figure increases to 600 horsepower and 481 pound-feet of torque in the Nismo configuration. Nissan hasn't disclosed how much power this internal hardware adds to those models, but at the very least, they stated that it will ensure better performance based on quicker response and greater precision. Small details that showcase Nissan's dedication to each unit produced. In addition to the internal hardware upgrades, both the GTR Premium Edition T-Spec and the GTR Track Edition will now feature a special aluminum badge. This badge will detail which of the select few Takumi master craftsmen hand-built the engine for that particular car. As of 2019, the most recent year for which information is available, there were just 5 of these master craftspeople. Furthermore, there's a new gold-colored model number plate located in the engine bay. This plate provides detailed information about the specific car, including the chassis number, the engine it received, the type of transaxle it has, and the color/trim configuration. These additions add a touch of exclusivity and craftsmanship to each GTR, highlighting the meticulous attention to detail that goes into its production.